Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today for another exciting episode where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. Today's word is disagree, a very common and useful verb. So, what does it mean to disagree? Simply put, it means to have a different opinion or feeling than someone else. It's when you don't share the same viewpoint or when you hold opposing beliefs. You disagree when you think something is wrong, untrue, or just not the best idea. It's a fundamental part of human interaction, isn't it? We all have unique perspectives, and disagreeing is how we express those differences. Now, let's explore some synonyms for disagree, words that have similar meanings. One synonym is differ. For example, I differ with you on that point. I think it's a good idea. Another useful synonym is dissent. You might hear it in formal settings, like the judge dissented from the majority opinion. How about the word object? This implies a stronger opposition. I object to your proposal. It's simply not feasible. And one more for you, clash. Their personalities often clash, leading to frequent disagreements. See how each synonym adds a slightly different nuance to the meaning of disagree? Now, let's flip the coin and look at antonyms, words that mean the opposite of disagree. The most obvious antonym is agree. For example, I agree with you completely. That's a great plan. Another antonym is concur. The board of directors concurred with the CEO's decision. We can also use the word approve. My parents approved of my choice to study abroad. Another antonym is accept. I accept your explanation. And finally, how about consent? She consented to the terms of the agreement. See how these words all convey the idea of shared opinion or acceptance, the very opposite of disagreeing? Now, let's talk about how we use disagree in everyday life. We disagree with our friends about which movie to watch. We disagree with our family members about what to have for dinner. We might even disagree with ourselves sometimes when we're unsure about something. It's a constant presence in our conversations. You might hear phrases like, I disagree with you on that, or I disagree strongly, or I have to disagree. It's important to express your disagreement respectfully, even when you feel strongly about something. Remember, it's okay to disagree. It doesn't mean you can't still be friends or have a productive conversation. Let's look at some more specific examples. I disagree with the idea of having exams. I think they cause too much stress. Or, she disagreed with the report's findings, saying they were inaccurate. Or, they disagreed about the best way to solve the problem. He disagrees with the new policy. We disagree on almost everything, but we're still good friends. Although I disagree with your methods, I respect your dedication. Scientists disagree on the cause of the phenomenon. I disagree. I think this is the best option we have. It's okay to disagree, as long as we are respectful of each other's opinions. To recap, disagree means to have a different opinion or feeling. We explored synonyms like differ, dissent, object, and clash. We also looked at antonyms like agree, concur, approve, accept, and consent. We saw how disagree is used in everyday conversations, from simple preferences to more serious topics. Thank you so much for joining me today on Hello Word. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. Before you go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe to the show and leave us a review. Your support helps other English language learners discover Hello Word. And for a fun challenge, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word disagree and share it as a comment under this video. I'd love to see what you come up with. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.